Hello and welcome back everyone, and I'm going to be talking about exciting new opportunity how to make online either on eBay or Shopify. So before I go ahead and start teaching you about this, my name is Sergey and I teach people how to make money online in a wide variety of places, and I teach them in ways that I make money myself. And in this video I'm going to be exploring and showing you a small part of an ability for you to start an e-commerce business using very simple and effective methods to make money online. It's going to take almost zero investment, especially if you're going to be doing this all on eBay. If you will and decide to do this on Shopify, it will take you a little bit more money by investing in the actual Shopify platform. You're probably really excited right now. I want to learn exactly how to do it, so let's get started. So the first thing I want to show you is an actual example of somebody doing exactly what I'm telling you to do. He's doing drop shipping. And not only he's doing drop shipping, he actually has a shop. He has the ads in place, and the ads bring the people who are shopping a specific product, such as people need sunglasses for night driving. And then once they see the ad, they buy the product and you get paid, and they drop ship this product directly to the client. So here is the actual example of the actual product, and the best night driving glasses are finally here. Today only, you buy one and get one free. Last time they got sold out in 12 hours, so we run like the wind. And if we run out of stock, check it out, in the next 6 months. That's right, it's going to take around 6 months and so to get more of this product, which means you got to buy it now. You got to get this now. If you don't get this, the supply is going to be out. Let's go ahead and look at the video. Let's press and play again. And as you can see, 1 million car accidents actually happen because of distracted driving and driving at night. It is super dangerous. Therefore, you need to have special glasses that not only make the nighttime driving super safe, it also reduces glare, enhances clarity, and gives you night vision. Yes, this is something they should have created in vehicles a long time ago. They don't have night vision mode, but this actually gives it to you. So you can see before and after results here. The commercial over here, you can use it with prescription glasses. You can see how when somebody puts it in, how much benefit it is. It is virtually indestructible. So how do they do it? How do they make money? Well, they posted this ad right here on Facebook. They got 1.5 million views for it, 1,000 comments, 3.8 thousand shares. And a lot of people are commenting and loving this product. So what do they actually did after that? Well, simple thing. First of all, what you have to do the same thing. Let's not even be talking about what they did. Let's create the same exact thing and make money the same way they made online with this, and you can make probably a substantial amount too. So the first thing you have to do is to do what they did. They created a Facebook page right here. You can see the actual page. 4,000 people actually like this and 5,000 people follow it. So out of the million people who viewed it, we have around 5,000 people who bought this product. So we can, this is just the potential here. I don't actually think every single person who liked it bought the product, but probably a substantial amount who actually pressed on like did and went and bought this specific product. So let's go and do a little bit of math here and try to figure out how much they potentially made. So let's say, for example, 400 people actually bought this product. So the next thing we have to see is how much it cost. So 20 bucks and times 20. They're talking about maybe 8,000 bucks from that commercial. Well, I see. So they didn't make the million that I was talking about, but let's just say all 4,000 of people who liked that page bought the product times 20, maybe 80,000 bucks here. So it's still good. if everyone who liked the page bought the product. And now let's go back to the actual page itself and how they did the page. So in the page, they put a few interesting things about this, like helpful tips, about meditation, some other products that they're selling here as well. And to make it interesting for people to check it out, they're probably selling other things too. This is like healthy living. And this is what they actually do here is pretty much niching toward a specific market. A lot of helpful tips, a lot of things for people to know about. And if somebody is going to go and decide to buy their product, they're actually going to read all those articles because it gives them all those tips. They like to follow somebody, and you probably like to follow somebody who gives you important tips. And this page actually does that. And then what they actually do is they go ahead and put commercials out on this once in a while and get people to buy the product. So this is on Facebook, and you can definitely run your own Facebook ads campaign here by creating, first of all, a Facebook page. Next thing, we are going to the actual shop here, and we have a discount code that is giving away once you go exactly to it. So normally it's going for 90 bucks, and right now it is going for 19. You press on shop, and you can buy other things that are catered toward that specific niche. So all those products are actually products that have been proven to be sold and they make money online. And you can see right here, it says somebody just bought this right now, just this second. And this actually shows you that this is actually a Shopify shop. This is not just a Lego store that you can create all by yourself. And it is also featuring a lot of other interesting kind of products that you can sell as well. Now, you don't even have to have a Shopify shop to do this. It could actually be linked directly to Amazon. You can use Wix to create this as well. And with Wix, you can do and go directly to Amazon using affiliate links, and people can buy those products. There's actually many different kind of possibilities and ways that you can actually do this. But one thing that I want to focus right now on is that you can see all those different products here that they are selling here. And in fact, each and every one of those, the whole secret here is not actually the product itself, but more likely the sourcing part of this product. So now that you know that we have a commercial that is actually potentially working, it is attracting people to it, it is getting them to this site, and they're buying the products, you can also see here a lot of different kind of products that are featured over here, which makes me suspect that this is actually a drop shipping website. So what they're actually doing is they're grabbing every one of those products over here and they're getting it from a specific source. And I'm going to be showing you exactly the source itself. Well, they're getting every single one of those products. Now, one thing I don't suggest for you to do is what they're doing right now. They have way too many products over here. You want to actually go ahead and focus on only on winning products within related niche. Otherwise, you're confusing your customer. So if they go in here and then don't buy one product, the one that you actually went ahead and you told them to buy, now there is mass confusion here, and either they're going to be buying other products here, or they will be totally overwhelmed by so many different choices and end up buying nearly none of them. So one thing I'm going to be showing you is, well, can we get those products? This is probably what you've been all asking for. So let's put in night vision glasses, and oh, and long and behold, this is just unbelievable. Look what I just found here. The same exact product that we just watched over here for that much money. Guess how much it is actually going for. So this is how it actually looks like. Buy one get one free. And this is the product itself right there. And there is 1 day left and 8 hours to get it for 20 bucks, and it is normally going for 89 bucks. Look what I just found here for you. The same exact product selling for $1.35. Now, you might say, this cannot be it. they probably went ahead and did another one. No, this is it. This is exactly the source and the product that they're getting. Exactly the same one. It takes about 21 days to deliver this product to your customer. So if you buy it from this site, let's take a look at what else it says here. We sell 500 units and we'll be increasing the stock price back to 90 bucks. That's 90 bucks for a product that is worth $1. Worldwide shipping, 30 days money back, 100% satisfaction guarantee. There's only 12 reviews of this product. And this does not look like a $90 product. This looks like $1. That's right. This product is only worth $1 and they're selling it. And people are reviewing it thinking this thing is amazing. Why? Because they thought this was a $90 product and they got it for only $20. They thought they were getting a great deal and there's all those reviews featured of this product right here. But guess what? This product is not even the top of the line product that is selling on Alibaba. In fact, this is probably one of the cheapest products that they have here. You can potentially find even better product. Maybe even this one right here. Well, yeah, this one is a little bit better. That's right. It is 15 cents more expensive. You're probably getting something way better if it is 15 cents more than $1.35, just $1 product. But of course you can get something a lot more higher end, like this one right here, 12 bucks. And whoa, look at this. This one is actually the same exact one, going for 75 cents. So this actually just shows you that all the products that they're selling are available on AliExpress. We drop ship and get paid right away. And you don't have to just pick that specific product. You can pick also really good and cool looking products over here, populate your store and make money with them. In fact, I like this one the most. And yeah, this looks way better than that cheap one. And you know what? I'm just going to be buying this specific one and making an experiment with it. I'm going to be taking this one and posting it for sale for 20 bucks, just to see if somebody's going to be buying it on eBay. So we are talking about thousands of dollars of potential profit and lots of different products for you to potentially choose from, because this site is already did all the work for you. It actually went ahead and is showing you every single one of those award-winning products that are selling, and they're all right here featured on this site. You could just go ahead, grab any single one of those products and start to sell it for more money, because every single one of them is probably available in one location. And of course, let's be talking about looking up one specific product just right here as an example, just to show you that this is real. Let's just put heat resistant gloves, and lo and behold, the same exact product is selling right here for $3.27 for only 30 bucks. This is originally $120. So what did this show you? They increased their prices astronomically. And yeah, this is definitely limited edition. There's only 35 of those left. Let's double check. 35 of those left. How many are left here? There's 758 orders. Whoa. There's really 35 left. I see 3,958 pieces of those. And you can get them in 4 different colors. I guess they didn't actually add all the different colors to this. And here is a picture that they didn't use. So what kind of picture are they using here? Since they're not using the stock images, it looks like they just went ahead and used a 5-0 photographer to get those images done. And you know what? If you need a 5-0 photographer, I'm right here for you. But this just proves it to you, how you get this done. So one thing that I want to show you here is look at those images, the pictures. Pictures make a big difference, and really good pictures of the actual product. Here they are getting pizza. Here is in use pictures. I don't actually do in use pictures, but sometimes you can just grab them right here. And here's one in use picture right there. So specifically what they actually did here is pretty much got a few in use pictures from a photo photographer. I mean, sometimes I do that, but most of the time I don't. I just do the product photography for clients. And over here you can see they just got a few good images of this product, but this is the actual product that is sold over here. There is definitely more images of this product all over AliExpress. So either they grabbed it from here, or most likely just got a photo photographer to take more images of that specific product. But this just actually gives you another example. That's how you make the big money online. A little bit of innovation, a little bit of creativity, and pretty much you need to have your own Shopify store, because you're going to be drop shipping all those products to your client from AliExpress. This takes a long time, and with eBay it's much harder to run this business unless you're drop shipping or you're buying this wholesale. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this was very informative for you and taught you something new about how to make money with drop shipping and astronomically increasing your profit from something that cost as little as $1. Congratulations everyone, and thank you so much for finishing watching this. And now the best part, there's actually a class here that I'm actually going to offer you for the cheapest possible price of $9.99. Normally it is selling for $200, and it is available on Udemy. 6.5 hours long, and it's going to teach you how to create a Shopify dropshipping business using Alibaba. And together combined, you'll be getting best-in-class class that teaches you everything that you need to know about this. And here is all the information you need to know about. First of all, there's only 475 students enrolled in this class. This is an exclusive course, and only paid people are allowed inside. There is no free students whatsoever in this class. It features 6.5 hours of in-demand videos, 53 plus lectures, and how you can go ahead and take 50 best-selling products right now, buy and sell and profit right away. It is actually featured right in the class itself. And you can even spy on 5 successful Shopify stores and explore them. Also, I'm going to be teaching you learn how to set up Facebook, Google, and Reddit ad campaigns. And using them, you'll be able to get extra money to bring traffic to your site. You'll also be profiting from buying and selling affiliate products from AliExpress. Technically, this is 3-in-1 class that explores 3 different kind of business models all combined, and it teaches you how to do some affiliate marketing and how to create a Shopify business, do import and export with AliExpress. This is one of the best courses in this field, and you will be able to get it for the cheapest possible price. The best thing about this class itself is it comes with a 100% money back guarantee. So if you're having any reservations, test drive this course in the next 30 days and check it out. If you don't like it for any reason, you can unsubscribe, you can get a refund. But should you choose to stay, a few extra things about this class is, first of all, you can have coupons to my other courses for super cheap price. Ask me any question anytime you want, and I will answer it right away. I'm going to be updating this course when I have time to update, and when you ask me to update it as well, because it is your class. And best of all, go over to the last lecture. It's going to feature more discounts, more deals, and more awesome content. In fact, head over right now to my actual website, and you can check out the rest of the classes that I teach right now. You can get extensive coaching one-on-one from me. You can check out my web store, find out more information about me, and just go ahead, check it out. It is one of the best sites that I have created here, and you can get VIP prices on all my products, including some free classes as well. See you on the inside, and I can't wait to get started teaching you how to make money online in the Virtual Academy.